So this is the Krimml Waterfalls in Austria, and I can just feel the spray, the water just coming down towards me. It is absolutely staggering to see. You can see the water coming down at 350 cubic meters, I think, in every couple of seconds. Absolute beautiful sight. I'm just going to see if I can track down a minute.
Track down?
And you can catch the sheer power of the water. And it's an amazing tourist attraction. So many people here, you have to be a little bit careful on a very, very busy day. And the water's coming through the Waterfalls National Park and cascading down. We came here by train. There's a steam train every morning and vintage diesels, and they leave from Zellemzee. Beautiful journey, about a couple of hours, and just trying to go as close as possible. Really, really wet. I've seen the Niagara Falls in Canada, but this is just somehow a little bit more staggering, a bit more natural, and a bit more astonishing to see. So I hope you've enjoyed these, I guess it's about a minute and a half, 2 minutes of the Krimml Waterfalls. And I guess it's time for me to say Auf Wiedersehen from Austria. Please try to go and visit this attraction if you can.